Got a bit of a turn on it, but it works. Summary time. What have we got? We've got a child's plastic potty that I picked up in the recycling centre. It was clean. And I've added wheels to it and a rubber band. 4 CDs, 8 plastic bottle tops for the hubs. This time I'm using Fibreglass tubes that I've got from a broken kite. They're actually 2.5mm diameter. I've got various bits of plastic tubing as spacers. That's some felt tip pen tubes. Had to cut slots out so the wheels could stick out, and drill a hole or melt a hole at the front there for the rubber band to connect. And that's it. A rubber band powered children's plastic potty. Job done. Hi guys, I've just had to replace one of the spars on this kite, and I've got the broken ones here. I reckon they'll be ideal for axles for my rubber band powered cars. I think they're 2.5mm. I read that somewhere. Yeah, 2.5mm fiberglass tubes. But I think I'll use them for spars. For axles, I mean. There's my 2 axles now, cut from the broken fiberglass spars. The spar was actually far more split than I thought it was. Quite a long length of it was split, so this is all that's usable out of the entire length. And even this one's a bit split at the end, so I've just sealed it with super glue to try and stop it fraying at all. So now I've got these 2 rigid axles, I have a project in mind. I've just been to the recycling centre and bought this along with some other items, some little toys. Total price £1, so this is probably about 20p. I think you can probably work out what it is, but it's a nice plastic, so I'm going to melt some holes in it for the axles to go through. Now I want to space them out quite a bit, so I'm also going to cut slots in the front, 2 slots in the front and 2 slots in the back for the wheels to come through. So they'll be inside, but they'll protrude out the back through the slots. I'm going to have to enlarge those holes because these rods are bigger than those holes. do that for all 4 holes. Well, that's the finished product, and it was significantly harder to make than I expected. Cutting these slots out took a lot longer because I miscalculated how much I needed. I'd cut them only about that long, and in fact I needed them another inch or so. But the fiberglass tubes seem to be okay for the axles. I've spaced them out with odd bits of plastic tubing to line them up with the slots that I've made. So I'll add a rubber band at the front there. Just push it through that hole, around the back axle, and it should work.